first. Sponsored by Matex Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing.
Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Just hanging out in the weather center. Probably more toys that we got over here. You turn that off right there. There we go. Now we're good. All right. Hey, it's beautiful out there. It's been so nice. We haven't had to do a whole lot here lately because of just how nice things have been. And you can see tonight, I mean, we're still hanging out here into the low and mid 40s across the area. 47 in Springfield, 46 degrees in Effingham. If you're heading out and about tonight, no problems here. We're looking good. Back down to near freezing, but tomorrow, oh man, tomorrow's weather is looking fantastic. We'll talk about how close we may even come to records, and then how we completely go the other direction and have snow in the forecast. That's coming up. WCIA 3 News starts right now.
Now on WCIA 3 News.
Teachers have become so much more than just leading the class. How keeping our kids safe from COVID became the biggest part of learning. The state has identified the first 50 counties that will get the COVID vaccine, why some of them could pose a problem.
And they've continued to serve inside despite state rules against it. Who paid a visit to this restaurant today?
You're watching your local news leader. This is WCIA 3 News at 6.
We knew we couldn't have classes of 25 and 28 kids.
But they did whatever they could to keep kids there safely. Good evening. I'm Paul CICCHINI.
And I'm Jennifer ROSCOE. This has been a year of adjustments for us all, but few know the struggle as well as teachers. Today, we got a firsthand look at how teachers in one central Illinois school are learning to improvise. WCIA 3's Courtney Bunting is live in our newsroom. All right, so you said they are rolling around on carts. What is going on?
Well, Jennifer, you heard correctly there, or at least they're walking around with these cars. They basically made them into portable desks, and it doesn't sound like much, but it may be the secret to their success.
We wanted to be in school if we could.
So teachers at Fisher Grade School made it their mission to find a way.
The principal was very open to all of our ideas and said, well, what if we, were able to use our teachers' aides, and we departmentalized and we moved from class to class, and so each group of kids got to see each teacher every day.
To keep class sizes small, teachers divided their classrooms into 3 different groups. They wheel over to them using these carts, or portable desks, if you will.
It's kind of intense and fast because we're moving 90 minutes and then we move to the next group 90 minutes, and we have to stay on schedule.
For some, that means quick navigation.
Some days it takes us running to get there, yes, but we figure it's kind of like our physical fitness built into our day now, too.
But with such a hectic schedule, teachers like CASSIE MITCHEM are putting in extra effort to keep kids engaged.
It's important to make school fun this year, because with everything that's different, we really need to build in that time to build the relationships with kids.
Teachers say it was surprising to see how quickly students adjusted.
Every week we're changing things up, or we're doing something different, and they're just like, what's going to be new this week, Mrs. Wright?
And it's those kids who keep these teachers coming back each day, no matter what 2020 throws at them.
The community of Fisher is just here for us, and they're not judgmental. They just know that we're all doing our best, and we're trying to make things work for our kids. And I think that it's going pretty well as can be expected.
Now, Fisher has in-person classes every day of the week except for today, Wednesday. So you didn't see any kids in that footage because, of course, it was their virtual learning today. Day to day. And of course, they have to learn how to deal with both in-person and virtual, which means they have to try their best to make the best of both worlds. And I really think they did when it comes to that in-person route that they created. Live in the newsroom, Courtney Bunting, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Teachers just don't get paid enough.
They really don't.
For all of that. All right, Courtney, thank you so much. Now, 2 of the women she interviewed have been teaching for at least 30 years. They say making these adjustments has made them better at their jobs, but they do miss having more time with students, which they could do with larger classroom sizes.
Hospitals across the state are preparing for the first doses of the vaccine to arrive as early as next week. Capitol Bureau Chief Mark Maxwell is live in Springfield tonight. So, Mark, the governor's office is organizing who gets these first doses.
Paul, good evening. 109,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccine are slated to arrive in Illinois as early as next week. So who gets the first shot in the arm? Governor Pritzker and the Department of Public Health decided. They came up with a list. They decided to divide these up and send them across the state to the 50 counties they determined would need them most, especially to the frontline healthcare workers that are working in many of the hospitals in counties with the highest rate of death per capita. But 9 of those rural counties, or a number of them at least, where coroners reported high death rates, don't even have hospitals in them. One of them is just next door here in Cass County. They send most of their infected patients with coronavirus here for treatment in Springfield. So the county health director there told me they asked the state, could they send their 70 doses to the hospital here for doctors and nurses to get the first shots?
Definitely, if there's a county that doesn't have a hospital, we can, because we're focusing on people within that hospital system right now, we can identify the hospitals for that county which their residents actually go to. And we can include, the hubs that are going to be distributing this.
That wasn't the initial plan. They're changing on the fly, trying to get all of their ducks in a row here. Logistics are a big nightmare as they're trying to get that fixed and ready to go. Greene County, south of Jacksonville, has just one hospital in the whole county. The hospital administrator there told me that she herself got coronavirus and had to miss work for 2 weeks. And she said roughly 1 in 5 staff there at that hospital also were out sick after being infected. Now, vaccines are on the way, and she tells me some of her own workers, the doctors and nurses there, are a bit leery themselves. They're watching all this come out. It's a vaccine that's never been there before, but as they take the vaccine, as they relay that experience to the patients who come in, perhaps some have questions of their own, these frontline healthcare workers who've been fighting the pandemic itself will be on the front lines fighting that other virus gripping our nation, the viral spread of misinformation. Reporting in Springfield, Mark Maxwell, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
No question that's going to be the biggest fight over the next few months as well. Mark, thanks. You may be able to get your COVID-19 vaccine another place, at the dentist. They are offering up their medical skills to help administer the vaccine. Their offices shut down at the beginning of the pandemic to offer up some of their personal protection gear to offer to hospitals instead. And now they're offering up their services to help offer an end to this pandemic so it might come more quickly.
We're already approved for the flu vaccine. This is the sort of thing that we're good at. We give a lot of injections every day in a very careful and safe manner. We know how to do this. We're experts at it.
Dentists will have to undergo special training before they can give you a COVID vaccine, but the state already cleared the way for them to start doing that training.
Now, the state is reporting more than 8,200 new cases. That's more than 812,000 total. The positivity rate is now at 11.4%. 179 more people have died. 8 of those were in Sangamon County. Illinois has lost well over 13,000 to COVID-19. A day shelter is temporarily closing because a volunteer tested positive. The dwelling place in Danville will now be closed until December 21st. The president says protocols for a Christmas donation event included social distancing, appointments to shop, and mask wearing. She also says they don't regret hosting the event for low-income children. To help keep everybody safe, they are urging attendees to get tested just in case.
Illinois State University may be a couple weeks out from having saliva-based testing on campus, thanks to the U of I. The school is working with the U of I to open a lab inside the science building on its campus. University leaders hope to have the site up and running by now, but they're awaiting approval from the FDA. All students living on campus will be required to get tested before returning to their dorms.
It was worth staying up late to watch what the Illini are saying after their big-time win against Duke.
Also tonight,
if I go to curbside, I'm going to have to lay off, 15 employees.
They're challenging public health officials and staying open for indoor dining. Who paid a visit to that restaurant today?
All right. Well, not another nice day. The first.
The first night.
And then we get another
Then we get
tomorrow.
get even better one tomorrow, and may even be able to squeeze in Friday as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So 3 days in a row of at least 50s. We'll take that. Actually, be. Is that right? Hold on here. Today's Wednesday. Well, 3 days. I was trying to get crazy. I was thinking 4, but 3 days, and we'll take that here in December. Well, let's recap. 57 the high. Believe it or not, tomorrow may be warmer than what we had today. Some areas did touch the 60-degree mark, and I anticipate that tomorrow. We'll show you that, and rain and snow in the forecast when we come back.